All right, it's time. You're standing on the side of a 42-degree slope. The sport is speed skiing. Speed skiing is straight down. There's no turns. In speed skiing, you go 0 to 60 miles an hour in 3 seconds. A Ferrari can only do it in 4. When you decide to go, you lift the body weight up off the snow, take the weight of that downhill ski, you throw it, wrap the other ski around, slap down, attack as quick as you possibly can, choose to get up to 60 miles an hour in 3 seconds. That's the easy part. It's at about 100 miles an hour, it starts to get very difficult because the air is pushing the body all around. The skis are going whap, 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 like that. Do not separate your hands. But you skiers know when you're skiing along and you catch an edge, what do you naturally do with your hands? Put it out here for balance. At 125 miles an hour, what happens to that hand? And it ends up in Budapest somewhere. That spins the body, ski pops up, bye! Don't worry, I won't fall off the chair, I'm a professional. Finally, you see that speed trap cross the first beam, cross the second beam. This is the cool part. Stand up, boom, blast the air in the chest, slow down, slow down, slow down, and then it hits you that adrenaline rush. Wow, I want to do that again. Welcome to Dallas. All right. There's a mountain in front of you, you can't get past it. And then you realize, wait a minute, do what the competition is not willing to do. Do what high performers aren't willing to do. So I found a friend with a really fast car. Got my pink rubber suit. Now, it was pink because it was free. Darth Vader style helmet, got on top of the friend's car, bindings facing up on the ski rack, clicked into the bindings, boom, 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 took off down the road. At 100 miles an hour on top of your friend's car, you start to learn a lot. A lot about people, actually. People coming the other way. Because you're looking at them, they're looking at you, and you realize they think you're luggage. And so as he said that, the first guy gets up there, and he's looking at the rope, and then up, and he's looking at that point, and he looks back at the rope, and he maybe a couple steps, he says, stop, stop, stop. Do not take your eyes off the point on the wall. The rope will always be underneath you. Your feet are always going to be at the end of your legs. Just focus on the point. And 10 minutes, 22 people not only were able to walk the length of the rope by focusing on that point, we figured out how to turn around, look at another point, and walk the other way. Now, did we have a change in skill, ability? No, we had the same skill we had 10 minutes prior. We had a change in focus. So, you're staring down the side of this mountain, you want to be the shape of a bullet. I want to be the shape of a bullet. And so, that's right, I'm a bullet, I'm a bullet, I'm a bullet. And then I remember to have what? Fun. Looked at Tom, the French starter, give a nod, and he says, ready, go. That sounded like an angry Bulgarian guy, kind of. Whatever. Now, Tom has a 60-second stopwatch. If it hits 61 seconds, it'll beep, 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 beep very loud. Tom will stand in front of you and go, you're disqualified, out of the way. Okay. Pick the line, that's right, I'm a bullet, I'm a bullet. Have fun. All right, gave the nod to Tom, he said, ready, go. Just about to leave, and bam, right over here, a guy starts screaming. The guy screaming, his nickname is Pig. You don't know how much of the 60 seconds you'd eaten up, so picked up the skis, slapped on the deck before I knew it was on, talking out loud to myself, Vince, get focused, that's right, I'm a bullet, I'm a bullet, I'm a bullet, I'm a pig, I'm a pig. Then I started to think, well, you are wearing a pink suit. And you know how you give yourself the giggles? I'm thinking, the pig on skis. I'm thinking about this pig thing, laughing away, and all you can hear when people are standing beside the track is, ha, ha, ha. And then remembered where I was. Known I'd blown it. Got to the finish area, and underneath it was flashing new national record, friends and media running over, and I'm thinking, I was a pig. Try that again on the count of 3. You ready to commit? 1, 2, 3, commit. Point your skis downhill, get into a tuck. Right down, no, this way. You gotta face downhill. All right, you're picking up speed 60 miles an hour, 100 miles an hour, 125 miles an hour, and as you're rocketing down this mountain, you're maintaining that tuck. And as you look at that point, your first beam, second beam, boom, the mountain you set out to conquer is now behind you. You look over and see how well you did, but most importantly, you see your family waiting for you. And when you've done that hero's climb, that Olympic journey, you can't help but feel, I want to do that again. Medal.